Hi, I'm Frank Wiegers. Welcome to Top Gun Love. I recently read an article that said that the biggest cause of divorce these days is the fact that the couples have simply grown apart and fallen out of love. And the article went on to say that the reason that happened was they weren't spending any time together, quality time. Another article I read said that couples should spend at least 15 hours a week of quality time together. Well, I don't know what city that person lives in, but in my city, where couples are both working and they have kids, 15 hours a week just may not be available. That's not to say that it isn't important, vitally so, to spend quality time with your partner. But what often gets lost in the daily dogfight is the time that you need to take care of yourself. So let me give you an illustration. When you get on the airliner and they tell you what to do if the cabin depressurizes, they always tell you to put your oxygen mask on first before you try to help anyone else, like your kids or whoever. What a great metaphor. If you don't take care of yourself first, you may not even be able to take care of anyone else. So what do you do to take care of yourself? What do you do to recreate yourself? I always like to think of recreation as recreation. It's vitally important to do that, because if you don't take care of yourself and refuel, you may just run out of gas and not have any time or energy to take care of anyone else, your partner, your kids, or your job. So I think we're here on this planet to seek joy. So do the things that bring you joy. Do what makes you feel good. Not to say that you should do that at the expense of others, but that you need to do that for yourself. Now, here are the priorities. The first is yourself. The second is your partner. And third is the kids. Fourth is the job, and fifth is everything else. So, they're all going on at the same time. And you have to learn how to pick and choose and create a balance so that you get the nurturing and care that you need for yourself so that you can then help others. So I'll talk more about how to achieve that balance in subsequent videos. But in the meantime, don't let yourself run out of gas, even if you have to do an air-to-air refueling. And I can help you with that because I'm a good flight instructor. So check out my coaching page on topgunlove.com or give me a call, 310-337-2701. And I'm available on Skype as well. So let's get started. Thanks for watching. Happy landings.